screen Pro Max. Let's get to work!
A tiny screwdriver, opening picks, suction cups, pry tool, tweezers, heating pad, and of course, a brand new digitizer. Don't forget a little magnetic mat to hold the screws. They're super small. Before we do anything, make sure the iPhone is powered off. We always want to work safely. Take the pentalobe screwdriver and remove the two tiny screws at the bottom of the phone near the charging port. Put them on your magnetic mat so they don't roll away. Use your heating pad or a warm hair dryer around the edges of the screen. This softens the sticky glue that holds the screen in place. Don't make it too hot, just warm enough to loosen the adhesive. Place the suction cup near the bottom edge of the screen. Pull up gently while sliding an opening pick between the screen and the frame. Go slow and work your way around the edges. Be careful. There are cables inside that we don't want to tear. Now, open the screen like a book. From left to right, you'll see metal plates covering the ribbon cable connectors. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the tiny screws holding those metal plates. Set the screws and plates safely on your mat. Then, use your tweezers to lift the ribbon cables straight up one by one. Now, you can gently remove the old screen from the phone. Use a clean brush to wipe away any leftover glue or dust. Make sure the surface is nice and clean before you install the new screen. Grab your new screen assembly, line up the ribbon cables and press them down gently until they click in. Once the cables are connected, place the metal plates back over them. Use your Phillips screwdriver to put the tiny screws back in, not too tight. Carefully lower the screen back down, starting from the top edge. Press around the side so it fits snugly. Then screw the 2 bottom screws back in with your pentalobe screwdriver. Now turn your iPhone on. Try the touchscreen, the camera, and the speaker. If everything works, awesome job! You just replaced an iPhone 13 Pro Max Digitizer.
That's it for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more tech videos. See you next time. Bye!